My video is about getting rid of fake survey alerts that come from the site Getlucksurvey.top. If you see these pop-ups by Getlucksurvey.top, keep in mind that they are absolutely faulty and deceptive, and you should not interact with these fake alerts. Such pop-ups try to make you click on a special allow button, but if you do that, your browser would be hijacked and you'll be facing even more intrusive ads. Also, such pop-ups try to make you share some of your personal details through these fake surveys. So don't interact with these pop-ups. If you have mistakenly clicked on allow, fix your browser by going to the menu, settings, privacy and security, site settings, go down to permissions and notifications. Pay attention to the sites which are allowed to send notifications. So when you find this Getlucksurvey.top, be sure to remove it from the list. I also recommend that you investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The best solution to get it is on the page combocleaner.com. Download the program, install the software, and start thoroughly researching and investigating your system to detect and eliminate other threats fully from your computer with Combo Cleaner. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.